back of your head. I see you nearly every day, and I see you but you don't see me. But I wish I had something clever to say, and I wish I had something better I could be. Oh, we touched hands by the coffee machine the other day, but I know you've forgotten already. But I'm gonna take that moment to the grave, to the grave, 'cause I just wanna walk you home. I just wanna walk you home. I've seen lunatics dance better than that, come on. Well, I see you nearly every night. I see you when you're down in your house. Nice. There's definitely some cats in there, weren't there? My night vision binoculars, and I creep quiet as a mouse. What was that? Oh, and I get so jealous when I see you stroking his hair. But it's okay, I tell myself, 'cause I know it's only I'm not dead. No, I'm not dead. 'Cause I just wanna walk you home. I just wanna walk you home. Oh, well then I just need some time alone. I just need some time alone. I'm the boy who answers the phone. I'm the boy who eats lunch on his own. I'm the boy with the monotone. I'm the boy who still lives at home. I'm the boy with the iron shirt. I'm the boy that watches you work. I know where you keep your skirts. I know where your secrets lurk. Oh, I'm the boy that's crawling your house. I'm the boy that's freaking you out with my thermal flask of tea up there in your neighbour's tree. Yeah, I'm the boy that's crossing borders, and I'm the boy with social disorders, and I'm the boy with restraining orders, and I'm the boy, yeah, 'cause I just wanna walk you home. I just wanna walk you home. Oh, well, I know that it's not right to cream, but I just wanna watch you sleep alone. 'Cause I just wanna walk you home. I just wanna walk you home. Thank you so much, Stelis. Have a wonderful night. Cheers.